Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we're talking about one of the latest Yoruba movie trending here on YouTube. And the title of this one is Debbie Smart. Now let me tell you something about this movie. This movie is the kind of movie that will make you sit down and actually pay attention because there is more to the story than what you see at first. So guys, this movie Debbie Smart gives you a story filled with drama, emotions, relationships, and some interesting twists that keeps the movie moving. What I really enjoyed about this movie is the way the characters bring their different personalities into the story. You have moments that are funny, that are emotional, and moments where you are just wondering what's going on, like what is actually going on here. And Olaiya did a good job bringing his character to life and supporting other cast that contributed to making the story an amazing one. One thing I really like about Yoruba movie is the way they often mix entertainment with message, and this movie is no exceptional. Yes, there is no exception in this movie, and this movie reminds us that appearance can be deceiving, and that the decision we make, the people we trust, and the way we handle relationship matters a lot. So guys, without recommending this movie, then be smart. Yes, I would. If you are someone who enjoy Yoruba movies with family issue, relationships, emotional moments, comedy, and little bit of suspense, then you should definitely go and watch They Be Smart. So guys, have you watched They Be Smart already? What do you think about the storyline? Drop your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more latest and amazing Yoruba movie recommendation and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.